This is an amazing walk-in freezer and blast freezer built by Akpo Oyegwa Refrigeration Company. Over here, I'm approaching the walk-in freezer. Over here is the walk-in freezer. To my right is the walk-in freezer. And to my left is the blast freezer. The blast freezer is supposed to reach the temperature of minus 25 degrees Celsius. Here is minus 13 degrees Celsius. And the walk-in freezer is minus 10 degrees Celsius. We are supposed to approach the temperature of minus 20 degrees Celsius. You can reach us on our website to get something similar to this walk-in freezer and blast freezer we have designed. We build all across the country. And this system was built in Warri, Delta State, Nigeria. I'll be going into the blast freezer to see how well we have designed this system. I'll be going into the blast freezer to see how well we have designed the system. So first of all, I'll be opening this door. Let me open the door and go in so you can see how well we have designed it. It's extremely cold in here. We are approaching a temperature of minus 25 degrees Celsius. It's minus 13 at the moment, but we are approaching a temperature of minus 25 degrees Celsius. Moving to the walk-in freezer, we are expected to reach a temperature of minus 20 degrees Celsius. Minus 20 degrees Celsius. The client intends to store chicken. The client intends to store chicken in this walk-in freezer and blast freezer. Over here is the condensing unit, high quality condensing unit, all working efficiently, both working efficiently. And if you want something similar to this, reach us on our website, fill our quotation request form, and we shall respond to your request.